You're welcome to Blockchain Plus. So in this video, I want to show you how to set all your take profit levels. So if you notice in our academy or in our free group, when I send some signals, I drop like 2 or 3 TP levels. And most of you have been asking me, how do you set these take profits? Because you only know how to set the TP1 and then you don't know how to set TP2 or even up to TP3. So in this video, I will show you how to set all of that TP. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome. This is Blockchain Plus. In this place, I teach everything about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how to trade and become successful trading crypto online. And if you want to join my community, you can come to Telegram and search for Blockchain Plus and join us. In this place, I give you daily tips on how to become successful and also give you signals that will help you become successful in the crypto space, just like the ones I dropped here. And also, please do wait to like this video, share it with your friends and your colleagues, and also comment on this video what aspect of this video you really enjoyed, or if you have any question you can also drop it as a comment in the comment section. And if you want to join our premium channel where I teach people and mentor them, you can just DM me so that you will join our paid group for other several advantages. All right, with that said, let's dive back to the video so that I will show you what you need to do to set all your take profit levels. So this is the trade I gave today. If you come to the Telegram channel, you can see it here. This is today, April 12th. I just dropped this trade, and as you can see, I have like TP1, TP2, and TP3. And most of you have been asking me, how do I set all of that TP? So now let's go back to Telegram so that to Bybit, so that I will show you how to set all of this up right now. So now we are on Bybit. Remember, the trade has not been triggered because I said we should enter at 3.34. So it has not been triggered. So I just entered this trade here with a demo account so that I will show you what to do, because for you to set those three take profit or 2 take profit, you must be in the trade. The trade must be running before you can set that up. So once you're in the trade like this, the next thing you want to do is to come to the trade. Let me go to the trade. The first one I was on chart, but right now I am on trade. So once you're in the trade like this, as you can see it here, these are the trades that we've entered so far. This one is in profit, this one is in loss, although this one we entered it last week. This week is already ending. I just left it here on the demo account. We entered it and we made about 60% profit before it retraced back. So those people who entered has already made profit from that. It's because it's in my demo. That's why I just left it to be running. All right. So let's go back to the trade. Now, if you come to the trade like this, you can see this is the trade I said we should enter, and then after entering, like I said, I just entered it so that I will show you what to do. Once you enter, the next thing you want to do is to look at the TP levels and then begin to set them. So how do you set them? To set them up, you come to this close by. So that is where you come to. When you click on close by like this, then you will see here, you will see market and you will see limit. So market means you want to close it automatically. You just want to close off and get away from the market. But limit means you want to set levels at which when the market gets to those levels, it should close for you. And then you can see here, you can see the different percentage of quantity you can set. So if you want to sell all your quantity, which is 100% at a particular limit level, you sell it. So you click on limit first, you change it to limit. Now once you change to limit, you notice that price appeared here. Before there was no price. Now this is the total quantity that we have, which is 46.3, right? So the first limit I set was, I think you can see it here. Okay, let me look for the trade again. You can see it here, TP1 is 2.9. So we'll go back to the trade and then go to TP1. Okay, it's out. Let's come back there. Close by again. Go to limit. TP1 is 2.9. So this is the entry price. This is the market right now. That is where the market is right now. And then this is the close price. Where I want to close the market right now is at the entry price. So we'll remove it from the entry price and put the price we want, which is 2.9. Now, I usually tell people to take 50% first as their profit, because when you take 50% at TP1, it means you have taken your invested capital or part of it, and then the rest is running as pure profit. or just waiting to take more of your capital and then profit. So you come to this place that says percentage, you click on 50%, which is your TP word. But also you can do 25%, but I prefer the 50% so that I know that I've taken bulk of it out from TP1. And most of the time our TP1 is usually at 50%. Right, our TP1 usually hit 50% or even up to 100%. Right, so once you set 50%, you click on confirm. As you can see, at 50%, expected profit will be this. Remember, we used $15. So at 50%, we've already taken $7 as profit. The other one is running, right? So now click on confirm at 50%. Now I've clicked on confirm. That has been set as partial take profit. Then we'll click on it again, close by again. We come back. Right now, remember, we've taken 23 out. We've taken 23 out. So what is remaining right here is 23 again, right? So this 23 now, we can now set 25%, right? So that it will now make the other 50%. So we'll go back to limit. The next take profit level I think is at 2.5. The first one was 2.8. This one is 2.5. So at this 2.5, we'll put it at 25. So if I put 100% right now, is the total amount, which is 46. We don't have 46 right now. Part of it has been set already as partial take profit at 50%. If I put 50% is 23. So if I give you only 2 TP, after setting the first one at 50%, the second one should be another 50%. But if I give you 3 TP, set the first one at 50%, set the second one at 25, the third one at 25. So let's go with 25 right now and set it at 25, and then we'll click what? Confirm. So this is 25, right? Now the next one is what? The last one, which is also 25. So we'll come here and put our last TP, which is 1.9, and then we'll put 25%. So that is what is left. So now we'll have 25%. You can see estimated profit is $15 at 1.9. So the first one at 2.5, the profit was what? $8 at 1.9. This is the profit, not your invested capital, the profit you're making from your capital, right? So the first profit is what? $7. Second profit is $8 right now. The third one is what? 1.9, which is what? $15. So you've made about $30 from your invested capital of $15. That is what it means. So because this is 15.3 plus 7 plus 8, if you calculate, it is over $30. So you now click on confirm again for the last one. So if you see right now, you've set all your take profit for this particular trade. All you just need to do right now is to wait for the trade to hit those TP. So that is how you set your TP levels. But mind you, you must set your what? Your SL once you enter the trade. You don't leave your SL open. As you see here, my SL is set. That is what you see right now. You can see it here. SL is set, but TP is not set here because we are using close by, which is limit orders, which we have set. But if you look at these other ones, you can see that their TP and SL, they are all set because it was one TP and one SL. So this is how you set your TP, and this is how you take profits on your trades going forward. All right, guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.